They called her wicked from the day that she was born. Green skin and fire in her eyes like a coming storm. Then came a girl in pink and gold, everything she's not. Two different worlds colliding in one single spot. 'Cause good and evil ain't as simple as they seem. Sometimes the villain's just misunderstood, it seems. And heroes might be hiding things beneath their shine. The truth gets lost between the battle lines. We're all just different shades of green. She tried to save the ones that no one else would see. But when you stand up for the broken, they make sure you flee. Her friend chose pink perfection, chose the easier way. Now she's the villain in a story gone astray. 'Cause good and evil ain't as simple as they seem. Sometimes the villain's just misunderstood, it seems. And heroes might be hiding things beneath their shine. The truth gets lost between the battle lines. We're all just different shades of green. History is written by the ones who won the fight. They paint you as a monster if you stood up for what's right. Years have passed since she flew away that night. The girl in pink still wears her crown of light. But in the mirror, when the crowds have gone to sleep, she sees the cost of all the secrets that she keeps. They say the wicked witch is dead and gone for good. The people celebrate just like they said they would. But she knows different, knows the truth behind the tale. Two friends who chose their paths on different scales. Sometimes at night she wonders where you are. If you found peace beneath some distant star, or if you're out there living free at last, while I'm still trapped inside this golden cast. The throne feels heavy when you're living out a lie. When the friend you loved had to say goodbye. Green was never wicked, pink was never pure. Just two girls trying to endure. Now she teaches what real courage means. It's not about the crown or being seen. It's standing up when everyone says sit back down, even if it means you'll never wear the gown. Maybe someday truth will finally come to light, and they'll understand who like thunder through the land. The girl in pink grew old, but still she'd stand. Then one day a letter came without a name, written in a hand she'd know through any flame. I'm still here, still fighting for what's right, just wearing different colors in the light. We were never enemies, just different kinds of brave. One who fought in shadows, one who smiled and waved. But both of us were trying to find our way through a world that wanted us to stay the same. So she writes back in the moonlight silver glow, come back home, let everybody know. We'll stand together, show them what is true. Green and pink united, me and you. 'Cause good and evil ain't as simple as they seem. Sometimes it takes a lifetime to change